Chloe, I got 3 orders of Too Good to Go. Roxy, I got 3 orders of Too Good to Go. I got 3 orders of Too Good to Go. No one seems to care that I got 3 orders of Too Good to Go.
It's pouring. The old man is snoring.
On this beautiful day, we decided to go get some food. Here's a very disgusting Monday to start the week, as Mondays usually do. But we're hungry. We've been inside for most of the day, so we thought it might be a good time to record a video. Just
After
to make,
work.
yes, an after work walk around. So we'll try to make this somewhat interesting. This is the part of our walks where Vlada walks ahead and then she turns around. It's back. Excited for the food.
Yeah.
Dirt.
Oh my God, Isaac. Jesus. This is the result of all our walking in the rain. Success?